BMW S1000RR. Excuse that little warning light. We got too much tire pressure now in the front tire. It had less tire pressure. Now we got too much. So I'd rather have too much than too little, you know what I mean? Sheesh. Look at all this carbon, man. The carbon dream. Just casually stroll into a little neighborhood at 90. I mean, that's what this bike's made for, right? Well, I hope you guys have been good. I got no good story for you. Just been working. End of the fiscal year, I get a little bonus if I hit a certain goal, so really trying to get that extra money. You can't go wrong with an extra payday, man, especially in commission. You guys know with the pandemic, you can't really order anything right now, materials-wise, without a long turnaround. So being in a commission-only job, the last few months have been a little bit slower than what I'm normally used to. So when that happens, you just got to put the pedal to the metal, just go work and come back to the channel when you can. Just know I'm not leaving YouTube. Sometimes I got a wedding coming up, got work, trying to get this bonus. Just life gets in the way sometimes. Well, I hope you guys have been well. Honestly mean that. You guys are the truth. Thank you for all the messages. I'm still healthy, somewhat. Just joking. I got nothing to complain about. Absolutely no complaints. Life is good lately. Got the wedding coming up. The lady's been really planning the whole thing. I just got to show up, you know how that goes. They asked me what color I want. I said, whatever you like. Says, what do you want to wear? I go, whatever you want me to wear. I could care less. I'm trying to bring the bikes up there. You guys know I'm getting married in North Carolina in the mountains. I'm trying to get one of my friends to have a truck, grab a trailer for me. Oh my God. Oh, that'll wake you up. Holy full throttle. Oh my God. Oh man, full throttle in third. I'll put some hair on your chest. Oh my God. I hope this camera angle is okay. I can never get the right angle on this bike. The way you have to sit on it, my camera's too close to the screen and everything, so it is what it is. I'd rather put something up for you guys than nothing. If you've been watching this channel, you know I'm not perfect. I'll never be perfect. But we just do this for fun. I like talking to you guys. I like showing you that this stuff's achievable even if you are just a regular 25-year-old, 23-year-old, 24-year-old. It is doable. That's just one thing, man. I look back and I'm like, 16-year-old Killer Cam would be so proud of this moment right now. And I'm one of those people where I'm always looking for the next step, the next thing, what I could be doing, whether it's working for yourself, crypto, anything. That's just the next modification. But man, for you younger folks, you older guys, you know what a wedding can do. A wedding takes a lot of money, takes a lot of time. That's actually coming up in September, so we're real close to that. But after that, my money should be getting freed up, my time should be getting freed up, and hopefully this availability before this products come back, because as soon as that happens, my cash flow increases significantly. I only get paid off of, see, being in sales, some sales you get paid off of as soon as this person signs the dotted line, you get paid. But mine, I only get paid once my customer receives the product. So I'm your biggest fan of them getting the items. Because without that, I don't get paid, so. That's the good and bad thing of commission. So if you have a nice salary, that's always a good thing. Because you know you're getting that X amount of dollars no matter what. With my job, you can make 5,000 one month, or you can make 15,000 one month. It just depends on how crazy you went, how much stuff got shipped out, everything. So that's just where it fluctuates. Like I've said this time and time again, YouTube is not my job. This is just a nice hobby. Whenever I do get to enjoy my vehicles, I like to enjoy it with you guys. And I've been doing this thing for, I don't even know how long. But I got some OGs that have been with me back when I was tank topping on a Yamaha R6, getting pulled over. Just completely cringe stuff. That's a snake. Woo, that's a big boy too. Out here in the country. That third gear, man. That third gear is my sweet spot. Unless you're just trying to win drag races, this thing is all you need. With this Brentune, this thing is spicy. Spicy. This thing is some spicy tuna right there. Well, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you watched this video, it's kind of me ranting a little bit of where I've been, what I do, etc. Same stuff, man. Nothing different. But thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, spicy tuna. I appreciate you boys. Y'all take it easy. Kill Cam out.